Alrighty, what's going on today, you guys? So today I want to kind of answer a little question that I see online quite a bit, and it is, why should you use an audio interface with your KRK Rokit studio monitors? Now, of course, this same question can be answered for just about any set of studio monitors. Why should you use an audio interface? There are a ton of reasons, and we'll kind of get into it. First, I want to give you a little bit of background on KRK. KRK systems came out back in 2003 when they began producing studio monitors. They are currently a subsidiary of the Gibson company, and we are now in 2020, and you are looking at the KRK Rokit G4 8s. The G4 stands for Generation 4, of course, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver, which is this bad boy right here. They've come a long way in terms of design, in terms of audio quality, and in terms of pretty much everything. Now, of course, everyone has their different uses for them. One person might be using them for mixing, one person might be using them for solely producing, another person might be using them just because they enjoy the sound of them and they want to listen to, their favorite music in a kind of high fidelity fashion. Now, there are a couple ways to hook these up, but I think one of the best ways and just one of the most thorough ways to get the most out of your KRK studio monitors is with an interface, an audio interface to be exact. So as you can see, if I go down over here, I am using the UAD Apollo Twin. This interface is, I would say, in like the upper mid-range in terms of price. It's got a lot of really cool built-in features, a really nice front-facing platform that goes on your computer or laptop as well, which essentially acts as sort of a mixing board. And Apollo and UAD in general is known. The company is really, really well known for making high-quality plugins and just high-quality components overall. Now, one of the first reasons why I would highly recommend getting a interface to hook up your KRK Rokits is because, as you can see, we'll move to the back over here, the KRK Rokits use a balanced input. Now, this balanced input can take either XLR or TRS. XLR is a little 3-pin microphone cable you've probably seen, and TRS is this little thing right here. As you can see, tip ring sleeve. That's what TRS stands for. These are 1/4-inch cables. They're instrument cables. They have a million different names. But make sure that you get one that has these 3 sections, the tip ring sleeve sections, because that means it's balanced. And essentially, you're not going to be able to plug this into a regular laptop or computer or television or really any other kind of receiver without some sort of converter to do so. The cool thing about interfaces is that you don't need those converters at all. It'll simply plug in right to the back. And this goes with pretty much any audio interface that you're going to get out there, from the UAD Apollos to a lot of people are using the Scarletts, a lot of people are using PreSonus. So it really, really depends on what your preference is, but that's one reason why I would say definitely go for an interface. The second reason is they have really, really powerful digital to audio analog converters that are inside. Essentially what this does is it converts the digital signal that's coming out of your computer, out of your laptop, into an analog signal so that it can come out to you in your listening environment. And the cool thing about these is that it helps the monitors to just be louder. You're not going to have to dial in as much drive and in as much gain to get a listenable sound out of your studio monitors. Instead, you can drive it just a little bit and get a powerful sound without too much work. So yeah, those are a couple reasons why you should definitely get an audio interface with your KRK Rokit studio monitors. If you guys have any questions or any insights as to why you think an audio interface is the best decision or why you don't, please feel free to leave in the comments. All right, take it easy, you guys.